All right, so today is what, Wednesday?
Wednesday the
the
6th.
6th. All right, first day in the shop. Nice little 441 Victor. A very complete bike. Still got the point system. Going to put a electronic ignition on it. Still got the Zener diode. We'll put on a charging system on it. Go through the wiring to make sure it's all secure. Get it running, which means going through the carburetor, setting the timing, change all the oils. And after that, we'll check out the wheel bearings and brakes and make sure that it's safe to ride. So that's the preliminary plan. And you know how plans go. They go right in the toilet after the first 5 minutes, but that's the plan. Okay, so it's a nice, cute little 441. Very complete. And we'll see if we can't get it running and get it as safe as humanly possible. Okay. All right, you'll get this video tonight. Okay?
Very good.
Yeah.
I'll look for it.
All right.
Well.
All right, interesting situation. Count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bikes in here, waiting on parts on this one, waiting for courage to start this one, waiting on parts on this one, waiting on fork seals for this one, waiting for instruments from England on this one. I can't really work on any of these because I really don't want to start this isoelastic job until I get some of these quick jobs out of the way, because once this guy goes on the lift, it's going to be a day or 2 or 3. So anyway, yes, anybody who's changed out isoelastics knows that it's not really a day or 2 or 3, but it's a big job, and I want to get some of the smaller jobs done first. In the meantime, this came in today, as I said, this little 441 Victor, so I stuck him up here, and I might spend some time working on him, stripping down some things, taking some looks, and seeing what happens with him this afternoon. Right now I have to do a Costco run because I have nothing in the house that resembles food. So, got to go to Costco. In the meantime, got the side cover off. This is the new vape ignition system I'm going to put on the bike. It's Wassel electronic ignition system. This is the new Podtronics rectifier regulator I'm going to put on the bike to update those two systems. And that's where we are. I'm probably not going to, I don't know if I'll do anything more today or not, but that's where we are.